Hi, this is Christina Cole with Berkshire Hathaway. How are you guys today? We are here with Chris Dutton with Northwest Mortgage Alliance once again, and we're going to be talking about our Pierce County real estate perspective. So today we're going to be building on our last video, which we were just talking about some of those first things you need to have when you're meeting with a lender. So today we wanted to talk a little bit about what if you didn't have a credit score that is higher or at that, ideal amount of 740.
Right. So 740 is the best interest rate that you can have for purchasing a home. 780, as I was mentioning earlier in the video, is more for the mortgage insurance premium. But what you basically do if you have a credit score lower than 740 is it's really not that big of a deal. The rate does increase the lower that it goes. But other than that, we can get you into a home with a credit score of 580 or higher.
Okay.
So lots of different programs and products that we can use. There's down payment assistance for anybody that doesn't have the down payment.
Okay. And then you were saying also that there are some benefits to trying to get your score up a little bit if you do have it a little bit on that lower end, because it'll lower your interest rate.
Right.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you have a lower score, getting it up absolutely does that.
And help with those things. Okay.
For sure.
Nice. And then another question that's really common that people have is, what if they don't have that 20% to put down on a home?
Yeah. Again, if you don't have the 20% down payment assistance is available through Washington State Housing Finance Commission. There are other down payment assistance programs that are really great. Also, VA, if you're a veteran, if you have that benefit, zero down program.
I always love that one.
Yeah, it's USDA. If anybody's ever heard of USDA, it's a government entity, and they basically are providing the down payment for you to kind of move outskirts of county limits, which is great. So another zero down program.
Yep.
Those are the items that we need. The Washington State Housing Finance Commission is a 620 minimum credit score. So there are some requirements to different things, but for the most part, yeah.
Okay, sounds good. And so the USDA loan is something that I've had a lot of people say I never even heard of what that is. And that applies really well to if you're looking for homes out in Bonnie Lake or Graham. Out those ways that will qualify you for those, those loans.
Yeah, absolutely. So the zero down is really great too, because you can negotiate as the real estate agent with the selling agent, or I should say listing agent, to negotiate the closing costs. So the costs that you would need to pay in order to get in, your escrow payments, your fees, title escrow, those types of things can add up to several $1,000s. And if you can negotiate those costs, now all of a sudden it becomes a zero out-of-pocket purchase for your buyer.
Awesome. So that sounds good. So that's just a few tidbits for you guys about how you can buy a home if you do have that lower credit score, or if you have a little bit less than 20% down to put on a home. And next week we're going to be talking a little bit more about down payment assistance and how that might help you get into a home as well. So all right.
Excellent.
Bye guys.
See
Thank
ya.
you.